Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to retrieve your billing history on WordPress quickly and efficiently. In this guide you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress website and access your financial transaction records in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your internet browser and visiting WordPress. Enter the address in your browser's address bar and allow the site to load completely. Once the page is fully loaded, you will see the main WordPress landing page. This initial step is fundamental as it leads you to all the account management options available on the platform. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the login option. This button is usually positioned in a prominent location for easy accessibility. Click on the login button to move forward in the process. This action opens up the necessary login interface where you start authenticating your account. At the login stage, you will have several methods to sign in. For convenience and speed, click on the option that says Continue with Google. This method allows you to use your existing Google account for signing in without the hassle of creating another password. After clicking on Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. Select your preferred Google account and let the authentication process complete. Using your Google account not only speeds up the login process but also provides a secure connection between your Google credentials and your WordPress account. After you have successfully logged in, the next part of the process takes you to the upgrade section on WordPress. Although the upgrades page primarily offers details about your current plan and additional account options, it also provides access to your billing history. Look for the upgrades option on your dashboard and click on it. This action will open a new page where you can review account details related to your subscription plan and potential upgrades available for your site. Within the upgrade section, you will find a link that directs you to your purchases page. Click on this option to view the list of subscriptions and services that you have acquired from WordPress. The purchases page is organized in a manner that neatly displays all your transaction history for the account. Browsing through the list here will provide you with an overview of items purchased over a period of time. Following your review of the purchases list, locate the section labeled Billing History. Clicking on this option brings you to a complete record of all the financial transactions made through your account. In the Billing History section, you will see detailed information about each transaction, including dates and amounts. This record is essential for verifying subscription statuses and ensuring that payments have been processed correctly. By following these instructions, you gain a clear understanding of how to access important financial records on WordPress. This organized approach not only helps you keep track of your billing information, but also empowers you to manage your account with confidence. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of navigating through WordPress as you review your billing history.